guys, welcome back to another Travis Sanders video, and today you are going to watch me play with my dog. Hi, where are you, boy? Where's your squeaky bone at?
But I don't know what to do because I was kind of mad because.
Alright, let's do it, boy. Here. Ow!
Gets in trouble if she doesn't follow them.
What?
I make rules, and I'm an asshole.
Alright,
He wants to move out.
here's his bone.
He wants to be treated like a
Watch him.
dog. He calls Becky and Tammy, whining to them.
Come here, Bring it, boy. Bring it, boy.
I think not taking a fucking shower is pretty hard.
I think not changing the oil in your car is pretty hard.
I was like, if I
I
want to
didn't
put
do
a
anything.
7:30 curfew on my son, I'm gonna do
No,
it. I don't care if you guys like it.
Alright, stop it.
Becky's saying.
Yours is his
I send
teaspoon.
Becky to work every day.
Yeah,
Whatever.
I know she's talking that tag and stuff.
So he whines
Give me, Harvey. Give me, boy.
He's right to me, and I'm like, no, I don't care what you guys think.
Tago!
I agree. I would, yeah.
Well, that's just a little harsh. You know, Brandon didn't have rules like that for his kids, and I said, yeah, look how fucking wonderful they are. Not to be dogging Brandon or his kids, but they're one A-OK winners in society.
Yeah, what I heard about them up there with Tammy, yeah.
Yeah,
Yeah.
great job.
This is what I'm talking about. That, yeah.
So that's a good example.
Right.
Basically, you know.
I'm sorry that I want my son to be successful.
Bye, guys. Say
Right.
bye.
Yeah, how dare you?
Say bye.
Bye.
Say bye.
I mean, I can understand if he was showering, doing laundry, and stuff like that. It'd be a different story, but.
He's like, you said I could do whatever I want as long as I'm handling my business first.
Yeah,
And
you're
I
not.
said, you're right, but you're not.
Right.
You're not handling your business.
Michael, say bye.
Right. And I'm to the point
Now
where
let's just see Livia and Cam.
Bubby.
Livia, say bye. Say bye, Cam. Bye. Say bye, Jake. Bye. Everybody said bye.
It sucks because he needs to go to school in the spring. So
Bye bye. Say bye, Hobby. What's up? Bye, guys.
if I make